Hey everyone, is your keyboard not working on Windows 11? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes to solve it. Let's get started. Step 1. Check basic things. First, unplug your keyboard and plug it back in. If you're using a wireless keyboard, check the batteries and make sure it's properly connected. You can also try a different USB port. Step 2. Restart your PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Click on the Start menu, select Power, and click Restart. Step 3. Update keyboard drivers. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Keyboards, then right-click your keyboard device. Click Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. Step 4. Disable Filter. Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Accessibility, then click on Keyboard. Make sure Filter Keys is turned off, as it can cause typing issues. Step 5. Reinstall keyboard driver. Open Device Manager again. Right-click your keyboard and click Uninstall device. Now restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. That's it. These simple steps should fix your keyboard issue. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.